So when you're ready to slash your loaf, you want to be using a really sharp knife. This is a Victorinox serrated tomato knife, and this works well. A very sharp knife, whichever sharp knife you've got. This is a baker's razor, okay, and with this you want to be changing the razor blade regularly, and you go in at a flat angle perpendicular to the loaf to rip the skin, okay, of the loaf, and then you'll get a good oven spring that way. So you can either go across and do a sausage cut like you would for a bloomer, or you can do a cut from the very top to the very bottom of the loaf, okay. And if you're going to do that, you want to go slightly off center, and you want to hold your blade quite flat to the loaf so that it tears underneath the skin. I'm going to use my razor to do this one, okay, and we're going to go right to the bottom. Can you see I've gone very sort of flat to the loaf there? What I'm hoping for is that's going to be enough to lift it up in the oven spring.